Hey dear children, how are you all? I hope you all are in safe and healthy conditions. In the last video, we had done tables and hope you will revise them. In this video, we will start with the book. But before starting with the chapters, I would like to tell you about the first term syllabus of maths. That is chapter 2, 3, 5, 6 and tables from 2 to 6. First, we'll start with the chapter 2, two-digit numbers. Before starting the exercises, I will give an introduction to make you familiar and understandable about two-digit numbers. So, for this, open page 8. Lesson 2, two-digit numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are 10 symbols. When we use these symbols to write numerals. Now the question is, what are numerals? Numerals are nothing. They are just numbers. These symbols are called digits. What we call them? Digits. Now, next, recognize what is this number? This is 10. But I am a two-digit number. My digits are here. Two digits are there. 1 and 0. And we call it 10. I am the smallest two-digit number. I am the smallest two-digit number. Now the next is, you have also seen me. This number also, children, you all have seen this number. What is this? This is 99. This is also two-digit number, but this is the highest two-digit number. Okay. I am also two-digit number. My digits are 9 and 9. Here two digits are there and they are 9 and 9, but we call it together, we call it 9. This is 1010, smallest two-digit number, and this is 99, highest or largest two-digit number, that is 99. We'll do the place of a digit in a number. What we'll do, we will tell the place of a digit in a number. Like in earlier page, what we have done, there we have done two-digit numbers from 10 to 99. 10 is the lowest two-digit number and 99 is the highest two-digit number. So on this page 9, what we do, we will just tell the place of the digit. Here, see the example. 3 and 2, 32. 2 and 3, 23. So what is the place of these digits? Here from the right side, 2 is in the ones place and 3 is in the tens place. In the second line, 3 is in the ones place and 2 is in the tens place. So we have taken two numbers, 3 and 2. But with 3 and 2, we have made two different numbers, 3 and 2, 2 and 3. So with the two numbers, we can make two numbers. Now, open page 10, exercise 2.1. Here we have to fill the blanks in question 1. What we have to write here? Tens and ones. We have to tell the place of the digit and we'll write that place. In 37, the digit 7 is in the ones place. How? It is from the right side. It's right side first number, so it is ones place. In 85, we have to tell the place of 8, and from the right side 8 is in the second place, and second place you all know that it's tens, so it is tens place. Now from third line we have to do it yourself. In 93, the digit 3 is in the which place? See, from the right side 3 is the first number, and tell me What is the first number? First number is ones and the second number is tens. From where? From the right side. So 3 is in the ones place. See, fourth one in 86, the digit 8 is in the which place? From the right side, 6 first number and 8 is second number. 6 is 1, so 8 is tens. So what will come here? Tens. So according to these, you have to complete the full exercise. Okay. Now come to question number 2. Form the digit numbers. The digit 3 is in the ones place and the digit 4 is in tens place. Here what we have to do? We have to read the sentences and according to that we have to put the numbers on the correct places. Like in first, they have written 3. We have to write in ones place. So here we have to write 3 at ones place and 4 is at tens place. So what is this number now? It has become 43. Same in second, read the digit 6 in tens place and the digit 0 is in ones place. So from the right side, first we put 0 because it's in ones place and second we put 6 because it's in tens place. So it's 60. In the third, the digit 9 is in the ones place and the digit 2 is in tens place. So first from the right side we put 9 and then second place we put 2. So 9 is ones and 2 is tens. So what number it has become? It has become 29. So according to this, we will complete the full exercise. Okay. Page 12, exercise 2.2. Question 1. Write the place value of each encircled digit. Here what we have to do? First 65. Here 5 is circled. We have to tell its place value. So earlier I told you from the right side, first number is ones place and second number is tens place. So here 5 is circled, so its place is ones. We can say it 5 ones or 5. Second is 78. Here again I am telling you 8 from right side, it's ones place and 7 is second place, so it's tens. 7, we can say it 7 tens or 70. In third, 89. From right side, 9 is ones place, so we can say it 9 ones or 9. So according to these 3 questions, we'll do next ones. So after this session, complete this exercise. Now come to question 2. Here what we have to do? Write the place value of each digit. Here we have to tell the place value of each digit. Okay. First they have done, but I'll repeat it. 2, 5, 25. What is the place value of 5 and of 2? So from the right side, it is in 5 is in the ones place, so it is 5 and it is in the tens place, so we can say it tens place, so it is 20. In next 57, 7 from right side, it's in the ones place, so it is 7 and 5 is in the tens place, so it is 50. Here in 86 from right side, 6 in the ones place and 8 is in the tens place, so 6 is ones, 6 and 8 is 80. So according to this, we have to complete these 2 questions. So again after the session, complete this page properly. Now come to page 13. Here exercise 2.3. What we have to do? Fill in the placeholders. Here we have to fill these placeholders. What we have to do? 28 is equal to dash tens plus dash ones. So here in tens, which number will come? And here in ones, which number will come? Okay, last exercises, I think you all have understood it very nicely. From the right side, 8 is in the ones place and 2 is in the tens place. How? From the right side, first number is ones and the second number is tens. So here in tens, which number we have to fill? 2, and in ones it is 8. Next, 36 dash tens plus 6 ones. Here 3 is in the tens and 6 is in the ones. In third question, 4040, 4 tens plus 0 ones. Here in 86, 8 tens, 6 ones. So according to this, complete the full exercise. Open page 14, question 2, fill in the circles. First, 110 plus 6 ones. What we have to do? Here from the right side we have to write the ones number, and from the right side in second we have to write the tens number. So here ones is 6 and tens is 1. So it's 16. In second, 2 tens plus 9 ones. Again at tens write 2, at ones write 9. So it's 29. In third question, 3 tens plus 0 ones. At tens place write 3, at ones place write 0. It's 30. In next, 4 tens plus 6 ones, same. Write at tens place 4, at one place 6, so it's 46. According to these, complete the full exercise. Come to question number 3. Write the numbers in the circle. Here numbers are written and we have to write the numbers in the circle. 10 plus 9. It's 19. How? At ones place write 9 and in the tens place write 1. It is 110, and 110 plus 9 is equal to 19. In second question, 20 plus 7. So 27. Third, 30 plus 6. 36. 40 plus 8. 48. So according to this, complete the full exercise. Come to page 15. Fill in the gaps. It's very easy. Start with the first question. 2 tens plus 8 ones. 2 tens means 20 plus 8. 20 plus 8, 28. 9 tens plus 5 ones. 9 tens, 90. 5 ones, 5. So total is 95. In third, 110 plus 9 ones. It's 10 plus 9, 19. Here in first nothing is written. In second 80 plus 4 is written. So how we will do? In third blank, nothing is there. So we have to fill first and third blank. So it's 80 plus 4. In first blank, what we will do? 80 means 8 tens, 4 ones. It's 80 plus 4. So how we will complete the third one? 84. So according to this, we'll complete the full page. Open page 17, exercise 2.4. Here we have to compare the numbers and write greater, smaller and equal to. Start with the first one. Here it's written 41-37. First we have to compare the numbers, then only we'll fill greater, smaller or equal to. What we'll do in this? First we'll compare the first tens place number. If tens place number, here 4 is the greater number. So what we'll do? 41 is the greater. So we have to fill greater sign. In next one, 39, 38. First we'll compare tens number. Here tens both numbers are same. So both numbers are same. We'll shift to other one in ones place number. Here in ones place, in first number it's ones place 9 and second place 8. So 9 is greater than 8. So 39 is greater than 38. Next 19, 28. Well, what we'll do? We compare tens number. Here it's 1 and here it's 2. So 2 is greater. So 28 is greater. In third, 36, 34. We compare first tens number. Both are same. So we'll shift to ones number. Here it's 6. Here it's 4. 6 is greater. So 36 is greater than 34. So according to this, we'll fill the full exercise and go according to that. Question 2. Arrange the numbers in decreasing order as shown. So what is decreasing? Decreasing means greatest to smallest. Question 1. 21, 69, 36, 88. First we take out the greatest number. Here 88 is the greatest. Then we come down to smallest number. So here 69 is smaller than 88. Then 36 is smaller than 69 and 21 is the smallest number out of all these numbers. So come to the second one. 19, 49, 88, 64. 88 is the greatest number. Then next smaller number to 88 is 64. Then next smaller number to 64 is 49. Next smaller number to 49 is 19. So according to this, we will complete the whole exercise. Come to question number 3. Write the greatest number in the circle. Here what we do, it's very easy exercise. You have done this in UKG also. So again we'll do the same questions. Greatest number 36, 84, 28, 64. From all these 4 numbers, we have to take out one greatest number. See which number is greatest here? 36, 84, 28, 64. Here 84 is the greatest number. Second question 34, 56, 13, 72. Carefully see all these 4 numbers and take out the greatest number. So which is the greatest? 72 is the greatest number. Next 44, 23, 82, 89. Carefully see which is the greatest number. 89 is the greatest number. So according to this, complete the full exercise. Open page 20. Question 4. Write the smallest number in the circle. Here what we do, numbers are here and from these numbers we have to take out the smallest number. See the numbers carefully and see which is the smallest. Okay. 41, 46, 40, 88, 32. Out of all these numbers, 32 is the smallest. In next question, 60, 78, 79, 12, 14, 12 is the smallest number. Here 51, 40, 28, 54, 65. See the numbers carefully. 28 is the smallest. So according to this, complete the whole exercise. Now come to page 21, exercise 2.6. Here what we do, form the greatest and the smallest numbers with the following digits. What we do, here digits are given and we have to write the greatest and smallest numbers. First we have to write the greatest number, then smallest number. It's very easy exercise. See 3, 4. So out of these 2 numbers we have to write first greatest number, then smallest number. Very easy. Here which is the greatest? 4 is the greatest. So First we write 4 and then we write 3. So greatest is 43. So here we have to write the smallest. So which is the smallest number? 3. So first we write the 3, then 4. So this is smallest. So first question, 43 is the greatest and 34 is the smallest. In next 5, 9. 9 is the greatest. So first we write 9, then 5. It's 95. And second smallest number is 5. First we write 5, then 9. So 59 is the smallest. In third, 42. Here 4 is the greatest and 2 is the smallest. It's 42. Here 2 is the smallest and 4 is the greatest. So 24. So according to this, we'll complete this full exercise after this session. So we have completed this chapter and this is the end of our this session. I hope you all have understood your exercises very properly. Now I am assigning you home task. Write the tables in the notebooks and complete your book exercises. We will meet next week, same day. Till then, stay home and stay safe.